Hi folks, in a previous tutorial we implemented a simple Drools example, a Drools 6 example, where we created a Hello World application using Drools 6. In this tutorial we'll try to understand the different attributes that can be used with Drool. These attributes are Salience, Update and No Loop. So let's just go through what these attributes are and then we'll implement a simple example to understand them. Salience. Suppose in a rules file I have multiple rules and I want to give priority to a particular rule. Then I'll set the salience attribute of that rule accordingly so that it gets executed first. The higher the salience value, the more priority it has got. Update. Using update, we make the rule engine aware that a fact has been modified. This may cause other depending rules to get fired again. This may also cause a rule execution to go in an indefinite loop because it will keep on updating. We'll take a look at this also. And to avoid this update statement causing indefinite loop, we can also use the no loop attribute. So to begin with the implementation, I'm going to take reference of my website javanews.com. Also in a previous tutorial we had done a Hello World application using Drools 6. So that will be the starting point for this tutorial. You can go here and you can download this Hello World tutorial from here and import it as a Maven project in Eclipse. So this will be the structure. We had implemented a project for a jewelry shop where depending on the type of jewelry, if it is a gold or it is diamond jewelry, we were getting the discount. Just run it once. So in a previous tutorial we had implemented this. So we'll modify this example to understand the various attributes. Next you can go to this tutorial, rules tutorial, understanding attributes, salience, update statement and no loop. So here in this project we have the class product and also we have the rules file that we implemented previously. Just copy this product class. I'll explain what we have done in this. Let's currently just copy this. And also the rules file. Remove the salience attribute for now. So what changes we have done is we have added one more field here, event, and we have added these getters and setters for this field event. What this field event will do is we have also added rules in the rules.drl file. We have just modified a few rules. So here we have added one more rule, that offer for gold on festival. So if the product type is gold and also if the event, the field that we added previously, it has the value sale, then apply this rule also. So now currently for the product type gold we have two rules. So in which sequence will this get executed? Suppose we want the rule offer for gold to be executed before the offer for gold on festival if the product type is gold and also if the event type is sale, because in that event both these rules will get executed because both the conditions will get satisfied. Suppose if we want this rule to get executed first, then I'll add a salience attribute here which will be having a higher value. I'll give this a salience 3. I'll give this a salience 2. I'll go to my rules test that we had written previously. Also here I'll add one more condition here where I have to set the event type as sale. Let's run this. So here we can see that offer for gold rule has been run first and then offer for gold on festival rule gets executed, and the total discount that we get is 10, first for gold and the other for gold on festival. Suppose now that I want this rule to get executed last and this to get executed first. I'll just change the salience values. I'll run this again. As you can see, offer for gold on festival gets executed first, offer for gold gets executed later, and for this we get 5% and for this we get 5%, so the total is 10% discount. Just if we don't keep sale, then yes, then obviously by default the offer for gold will get only one rule will get executed and the discount will be 5%. So here, depending on the salience, the rules get executed according to the priority. This is the use of salience. Hope you have understood this. Let's now try to understand the update and no loop attributes. So for this, we have done this, we get the output like this. So the update attribute, we'll add one more parameter field here in the product class. It will be the buyer. We'll add the getters and setters. And we'll add one more rule if customer is platinum. So what does this rule do? The salience for this rule is 1, which is lower than the salience for the other rule. So this rule will get executed last. In this rule we check that if the buyer is of type platinum, then update the product object. So this will cause the other two rules also to get applied again. So it will again check if these two rules, if these conditions are true, then the discounts will get applied again. So if the buyer is of type platinum, the discount will get doubled. First, the initially before the update statement, since the salience of these two rules is higher, the discount will get applied once, and once the update is called, again all the rules will get fired because the working memory facts have been changed. So again it will check these conditions and again the discount will get applied. However, in this case, again it will come here and again the buyer will be platinum. So this will cause it to go in an indefinite loop. So it will keep on applying the discounts. This is not what we want right now, but it will go in an indefinite loop. So let's run and check this. So here I'll add one more value, product dot set buyer as platinum. We'll run this. As you can see that it has gone in an indefinite loop. What is happening is it keeps coming here, update, again the rule gets applied, again update. So we have seen that the update can cause it to go in an indefinite loop. To avoid this, we should use the no loop attribute. So just copy this no loop as true and add it to the rule customer is platinum. Now if we run this, so here it is, the discount is 20. So initially the discount will get applied for both gold on festival and gold. Then we have, since the customer is platinum customer, we have updated the product object. So again it gets applied only once and we get the discount as double. If suppose it is not platinum, then yeah, then the regular 10% discount will get applied. Yes. So I hope you have understood these attributes. The source code can be downloaded from here. Thank you.